off-road ride. Yesterday I rode into Essex. Difficult start, but felt really good knowing that I finished and overcame the demons that were trying to hold me back. And I was 7 miles behind yesterday on what my goal was. Bad headache, I think. 7 miles behind, so I decided that I need to definitely do another ride and even pay a penalty for not being able to complete. So I rode into central London again, this time through Knightsbridge, and now I'm in Chelsea. And fantastic views. There was like a very classic car convoy outside Buckingham Palace, which is awesome. And this is the beauty about riding into places like London, and you know, I feel very lucky to be living in such a fantastic city. And one of the best things is when you're riding into London at early hours. I was a little behind schedule, in all honesty. I wanted to set out by 6:30. I was about 45 minutes approximately behind schedule, but nevertheless it was still fantastic. A little lighter than I expected outside, but still beautiful. So you can see the scenes. And I feel fantastic today. I really do. Feel really good. So I think it's kicking in now. I hope that I can keep on the momentum. I'll do another summary by the end of my ride later on today. But the good thing is I've still got my GoPro and it's still got a little bit of battery left in it. So I hope that I can get the Westminster embankment and all of that part of it into the vlog. So guys, catch you later on. Thank you very much for all the support. Really appreciate all the messages. I really do hope that my training is sufficient for this Delhi to Mumbai ride on December 16th. Thank you. So I completed the ride. I wasn't able to do a summary video yesterday, so I thought I'd just quickly do one today and just summarize how the ride went yesterday. So the ride was awesome. I really felt good. It was an easy start, I'm not gonna lie. I was well prepared, my mindset was strong. I was on point in the morning. However, I did leave slightly later than planned due to some calls that I had to make to India. Obviously they rise before the people in the UK do, although I rise almost the same time as they do. Yeah, it was really good. I expected to have around 25 miles clocked up yesterday, but what I decided to do was not to monitor the miles until I reached back to base. And I'm just going to keep going, keep my head down and just keep going, keep pedaling, keep those wheels turning. And guess what? It works. You know, the minute you start monitoring every mile, you keep looking at the clock, it gets harder. When you get closer to your goal, it seems to get harder. But yesterday wasn't like that. I just didn't want to know until I got to the end. I just wanted to make sure that I keep the wheels turning, try and do as much as I can. I took a few detours, I went further than I planned, and I clocked up 32, which although I know that many have surpassed these levels and are far greater cyclists and riders than me, but you know, I'm a lot better than what I was when I started this prep. So I intend to keep going, keep those wheels turning, because eventually you'll get there. So as with anything in life, you know, if you keep stopping at every single milestone to see how far you've come, I think you will restrict your growth. I think the plan is to keep your head down and just keep going until you get there. So with that thought, I hope you guys have a powerful week ahead, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.